Fisterra or Finisterra?
Cabo Finisterre
Cabo Finisterre.
o Fisterra. Fisterra gallego, Finisterre español.
Ah, vale. So beautiful. I think I can tell that all the superlative words here. So guys, we're here in Fisterra. They said that this is the end of the world because before they believed that this is the end of the world, and I don't know that. I had to Google that why they said that, but it's according to her that before they were saying that this is the end of the world. So let's see. Maybe they have something, and a lot of people. Bebe, what is that?
The end of the world.
Why?
This is the cross. This is for taking away the bad spirits.
Abale. Guys, they are believing that this is the sign of the end of the world, which I don't understand. I have to Google that. Right? We're in Finisterre, right? Finisterre. So vamos?
Vamos.
This is beautiful, but it's really hard.
I'm going to make my own photo.
I will not risk my life, just to look down there. No, not at all. My life is pressure than that view. Fucking dangerous. You say something. What are you doing? I'm really fascinated in this place. So I'm really going to save a lot of money to live here. And I promise that. Right, bebe?
Yeah, false order.
Tato, ¿puedes mirar? Miren los tres. Espera un momento, ¿le pasa a la señora?
So, baby, what is the name of this falls?
Cascadas de Ézaro.
Sorry?
Cascadas de Ézaro.
Ano?
Ézaro.
Esaro?
The access is cut. We don't want to there.
So, guys, that falls is Cascada Esaro. It's really beautiful. I was really fascinated. I love this place so much.
Cualquiera va a hacer una foto.
Marvelous. Maravillosa. This view exactly looks like Lucerne in Switzerland. Exactly. Looks like Lucerne. Lucerne, Switzerland. So guys, what you're looking behind me, this view is exactly the same as what I have seen in Switzerland, in Lucerne. So look at this, Lucerne, Lucerne. Nandito na ako. So, this view is really exactly of what you can see in Switzerland. And I'm falling in love here. I fall in love in here. I fell in love. I fall in love. Bebé. I wanna buy a house here. I wanna live here. Can you live here? It's okay na, bebé. A lot of things to see here, and I feel like not to leave, not to go back home. I feel like to live here. And look at these shells. They are living here in the rock. But I think they live.
Mussels.
Yeah. Look what I have found for souvenirs.
No, the stone is for me, Connor.
Huh?
The stone is for me.
Yeah.
Finder keepers, Connor.
Did you find this rock?
Hmm.
Oh, where? In my heart?
Yeah.
Come on.
Vamos, vamos. Vamos, vamos. Last dive inside the water and to home, to the car.
Come on.
Bye bye.